Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to make her. She's mashallah very pretty. La hawla wala quwwata illa billahi. She has a perfect feature. So let's start her sketch today. It's always treat to make a sketch of such pretty faces, mashallah.
जब जिस्म ही सारा जलता हो, फिर दामन दिल को बचाए क्या। जब जिस्म ही सारा जलता